So you're in your 50s like me and you wanted to get in shape, but you just don't, you don't have the time these days, you know what I mean? You're working full time, family commitments, got social commitments, you don't want to be spending hours and hours in the gym, maybe like you used to do in your youth. You want to be just able to go in, get a good workout in, and then get out. That's what I do these days. I'm not there training to be a bodybuilder. I'm not there to be training some sort of physique model. I just want to look good. I want to build an athletic frame, get good definition, good lean, look like I'm in shape. But I don't need to have packed full of muscle. Obviously it'd be nice to have that, but I say I haven't got the time or dedication for that one, so I don't need to train like that. So for me, I'm in the gym probably 3-4 times max a week, and I like to be in and out within 45 minutes to an hour tops. So to get the biggest bang for my buck, I sort of base my workouts around supersets. Now you've probably heard of supersets before, which is basically pairing two sets of two different exercises back to back. And I don't see anyone doing these in the gym, by the way. I don't see anyone doing it. And these have been around obviously for decades. And I've found with the right pairing and the right set, and this is not about like using light weights like in like a circuit training based. This is using heavy weights that you would normally just do for like one set on its own exercise. So for example, I do back and chest, so I might do 8 to 10 reps of chest press, incline chest press, heavy as I can go for 8 to 10 reps, and then I'll switch it and I'll go some rows with my chest on the actual bench, and that's one set. I'll do 3 or 4 of them and I'll switch it to another pair, and I'm finding that is enough. That's enough to build the level of muscle I need at the moment. It also actually helps strip down fat because there's a cardio element to it. Your heart rate's up because you're moving from exercises to one exercise to another, and therefore it gets your heart rate up. And I find that's I'm getting a sort of cardio element of that as well, and I'm just getting more for my workouts. I'm just getting more out of my workouts in a short period of time. So instead of going in there and doing 4 or 5 different exercises on one muscle group, which probably is, let's be honest, more effective for building muscle, that's what the bodybuilders do generally, I can be in an hour done, and I've hit everything. I've hit all the major groups that I wanted to do. So I'll generally do two groups. So it'll be chest and back one day, and then maybe some arms and a bit of abs, and the other day it'll be maybe like legs and shoulders. Again, 2 or 3 sets of supersets, and I'm finding that's enough at the moment for where I want to be and the physique that I want. It's enough. I'm starting to really see good definition come through. I'm building enough muscle, and I'm happy with where it's going. So if you're like me, if you you're not looking to become a bodybuilder, you want to look healthy, you want to look, you want to look in good shape, but you don't want to be spending half your week in the gym, then give these a go. They're definitely worth trying out. I don't see anyone doing it. Obviously you need to be prepared when you go in the gym, because you need to have potentially 2 different stations available to you, or you just have to sort of adapt, depending on how busy the gym is and what time you have to go in and so on. Now, if you're interested in doing this, I've got loads of workouts that I used to put together for my clients when I was a PT a few years ago. So if you're interested in this and you want to actually just you want some workout ideas, just drop me a comment below with the word supersets, and I'll send you a link, and you can just download a load and you can just take them away and start playing around with them, see how you get on. Okay guys, hope that's helped, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.